Dear students, all are in Kundu sir accounts classes. It is for class 12, accounts lesson 11, share forfeiture and reissue. I have got the problem from some student with a request to solve the problem at online classes. So I am reading the problem and going through the problem. Joy Limited forfeited 200 equity shares of rupees 10 each. That means face value of the share is 10 but called up rupees 8. Issued at a premium of rupees 2, that is company issued the share 10 plus 2, 12, 10, the face value of the share, 2 premium of the share. To Mr. Debru, on which he had paid application of rupees 5 per share for non-payment of allotment of rupees 5 including premium, that is 3 plus 2 not paid. That means he is not paid means defaulter from the time of allotment, out of which 400 shares were reissued by the company to Mr. Fortune, as it is also partly paid share, rupees 8 called up for rupees 7. That means called up value is 8 against 7 rupees. That means at discount the company is issuing this, because there is no question of share forfeiture, amount is lying, so it is to be counted at discount. First, we have to start only from share forfeiture. Before passing journal entry, the called up of the face value, called up, that means capital created, that is called up. Share capital created, that is called up. How many shares? It is 200 shares, and called up value equal to 8. That is equal to, called up value 8 means rupees 1600. That is called up value. That is equal to application 5 rupees and allotment 3 rupees. 5 per, that is called up value, 5 plus 3 equal to 8, and share premium, reserve account, share premium, reserve account. How much? 200 into 2 equal to 400. It is called up. Called up share capital is this, application plus allotment, and allotment also include another 2 rupees, that is 400. It is called up. Out of which, out of the above company got how much? Rupees. Only application, that means 200 into 5 equal to 1000. That is 1000. Company got this. Now we are passing journal. The first journal is Journal 1. We are forfeiting the share capital created at the time of application and at the time of allotment. That is 5 plus 3 equal to called up capital. So share capital account debit. How much? Share capital account will be debited by this. It is 400 or 200. That is how much share holding Mr. Devrup is. He is had paid application and this and this. How much share? That is 200. That is 200. 200 into 8 equal to share capital account reversal is this. But share premium at the time of allotment, that is 400. But the company has not gained any single paisa in the account of share premium. If any share premium amount received by the company, it should not be disturbed. But in case of not getting the share premium, reversal entry, that is share premium, we have kept the name as security premium reserve account debit. How much? It is 400. That is 2000. Out of which we have got this. How much? We have got this out of, and rest portion we have not received. It is either lying at call scenario. So we are considering the unpaid amount. What is unpaid amount? Unpaid amount is 200 into at the time of allotment 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 equal to 3 plus 2 5 equal to rupees 1000. We have not received. That means our due amount is this. We have received this, and we have not, that is it, share forfeiture account and calls in arrear account. Calls in to calls in arrear account. In the arrear account it is lying 1000, and the rest one we have the amount due on that shareholder, that by Joy Limited to Devrup 2000, non received 1000, rest portion is share forfeiture account. Share forfeiture account we have got 1000 rupees. Now the company decided the 140 share out of 200 share, 140 is to be reissued. Reissued 140, and earlier I have told that we should give the discount. No, there is not discount, it is discount, but it is to be adjusted from share forfeiture account. So on 140 shares, we are called up value is 8, but we are getting 7. That means 1 rupee discount, which is to be covered from share forfeiture account. So bank account debit, share forfeiture account, share forfeiture account debit to share capital to share capital. We are giving discount which we are adjusting from. We are adjusting from share forfeiture 140, total value 140 into 8. Capital is created, it is 140 into 7, share forfeiture 140 into 1, and share capital created 140 into 8. That means the discount 1 rupee we are taking from share forfeiture account. That means 140 multiplied by 8 comes to 111, bank 1120. It is equal to 140 into 7 equal to 980. 980 plus 140, that is 1120. We are reissuing the 140 share to Mr. Fortune to Mr. Fortune at a price of rupees 8, out of which he is making payment at per share rupees 7 per share, and 1 rupee we are providing discount which is we are adjusting out of share forfeiture account. So now calculation of capital reserve account, that is total amount or benefit for 2000 equal to 100,000. So for capital reserve for 140 share forfeiture balance utilized, how much? It is for 200, that means 1000 by 200 equal to 5. For 140 proportionate share forfeiture related to, that is 140 equal to 140 into 5, that means 700 rupees, 700, and 60, that is 300 is to be kept or lying in share forfeiture account. Share forfeiture account is lying, it will be utilized after reissue this share, because it is reissued and we have utilized share forfeiture 140 is utilized, that means 740, that means this equal to 100 into this equal to multiplied by 140, that is 700. We have utilized 140, 700 minus 140, that is 560. We are transferring to capital reserve account, that means 140 plus 560, 700, it is utilized, and the rest 300 is still lying in the share forfeiture account, and the decision is to be taken regarding the amount after reissuing the balance share. So now we are passing the last entry for this problem. How much benefit we have derived from here? 560 from the from share forfeiture account, because 700 we can utilize for 140 share, but out of 700 only 140 is utilized. 560 is benefit for the company. That is why share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve, that is the benefit out of 140 share forfeit share as and when it is reissued. After reissuing, the benefit is 560 related to 140 share, and the rest portion 300 is still lying. It is still lying, or it is still lying in share forfeiture or at share forfeiture account, and this decision will be taken regarding this after reissue of this share. That means journal is completed, and the rest part, that means company called up to 8, and rest part will be called by the company later on as decided by the management or board of directors. It is end of the class. All of you, thank you. Next class will be also conducted on share forfeiture. Thanks all of you again.